Who say NDC, spiritual realms, more energy, more strength, more power, and trouble.
It began to decline, drop.
Ediomo ba amamu akonya so no. Me hu se abafom. Ahoden a omo de ba.
The strength, the force.
Aban mu no. Me hu se a drop kra.
Owusu prophets Owusu Bempah ababonte abekasa. Now this time around will be ABC 2028 edema NDC4 and ababetu jana the kasa in Ghana for HS we the camera say na no asem esi e bi and airsign SCB na prophet Owusu Bempah HS soon ya NDC4 chi ma edo mobile to me 2024 so soon no obi ni miesi atwe ne ho e de free NDC4 na chi 2028 aba ye kwakoto no NDC4 so wo ma hwe ye a wo bedi abade mu enkugu emu ntremu na mede eba besom no na ye back setera na asomase ne emam de sanchemi eba na back setera e wo kaso kakraba wo me adwume ko wo ton bags bag bi a wo pebia wo ko back setera wo nsa betimi akabi kala bia any type bia wo penso wo mu obi e wo numbers no ego screen asefa na eni wo mu ending komo ebusia ye ba beto aba 2024 no na prophet Owusu Bempah e de enkomhye e beto dwa e koye e de ma NDC4 no kra no Ghana for do na eno anya adwena wo kire se we no papa we kame say wa yes stomach direction prophet na wo hwe bia ade ne e kwa no asechi camp na oba kwhye wo se na kenim ne se wo no oye NPP sofo na eside na frede kakra ya wada no ho frefrede akwakopie mu e wo NDC akatana so sabre no wo ba betin e be ka se nyame aka kire no ene se wo man nyame enam John Dramani Mahama na kuma panso nti wo sanda ne wo man no e de ahye ne nsa na busuya abra John Dramani Mahama e ba bedi ade na e ye nyina yim se ne prophet Owusu Bempah e ya na wo kan nsam no esifana na no ho e de wo de betu dwa se wo no prophet Owusu Bempah no oye osi ahene esan etu hene e wo man Ghana mu enti se wo ya manyoko na e ye wa adwene se ubedi ubetena so na beko 8 years a wo no e betimi aye ama 4 years and as one tempe e na ubedi na enra e na sorry dem ho na prophet Owusu Bempah esan e di prophecy bi e babetu dwade ma NDC4 na wo kire se abra ye babetu aba 2024 no sunsumu na etai NDC4 achi ya etimi di wo mo ba power de busu asem ne o ka sei prophet Owusu Bempah e kire se sunsumu no atwe ne ho e de free NDC4 achi e na die e na sunsumu no NDC4 ye di tia na enti sa be de watching the whole free NDC4 the chance so much no there and na spiritual backings be na e back NDC among dibu akonya le busia ma yen kodi nkote se ne Reverend Owusu Bempah e de ensam no etu dwa e ne adekodi potia NDC4 ayenti asa brede sunsun bia enta wo mo achi no
o man Ghana ntie na NDC as a political party musumuntie
Ghana hear me out NDC as a party listen to what I'm about to say
anadwi ano nyankopon the presence visited me.
Now, just last night, the presence of God visited me.
And
this is what I saw.
Osofo, adiana edi we adiano sensor. Sani ekano. The edi we adiano.
Scale.
There be sensor. Ayi adina the tuswana ko odi tuswana. What can say? And then scale. Good. Anadwi na mihu sa scale no.
Now, last dawn, I saw a scale. And this is how I saw it.
Odi NDC enim.
I saw that this scale was in the hand of the leader of the party.
John Dramani Mahama.
And the person I saw was His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Nami who say spiritual strength added that skill no so.
Now I saw that there was spiritual strength on the scales. Force.
Energy.
Power.
Dear me who yan say baby a ahonden kese pa wono e kofom.
Then all of a sudden I saw that scale, the hand of that scale, which had the most power, I saw that it began to lose weight. It began to decline, drop.
Amamu akonya so no. Me hu se abafom.
I saw that the power that brought them, or the force that brought them into power, I saw that it began to drop. I saw that it was dropping speedily. The strength, the force, the power into which they came into power, I saw that it had dropped. That was what I saw. Now, when I saw it, I was not happy. Now, it's as if you have forgotten about your first love. Remember your first love.
NDC, spiritual realms, more energy, more strength, more power, and trouble.
Spiritually, I saw that NDC as a party, your energy in the spiritual realm had dropped. And the Lord spoke to me and said, to declare this word for the nation to hear it. Members of NDC, listen here. Those in power, listen. The spirit that was backing you has dropped. The force and the power, the energy that pushed you into government, into power, has dropped significantly. And you are dropping. And so, if you want to rule for 2 consecutive terms, then you must stir up yourself, or else,
after Omampeni John Dramani Mahama, NDC Mubefra,
or else, if you don't do so, after the tenure of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, you will lose power.
Man sheye adio nyamedia mamono 2028 muntimin tuaso.
If you are not careful, whatever God has given to you, you cannot continue past 2028. I am addressing you as a prophet of God.
Political party biba bemua omucha 2 terms.
Now,
8 years.
People think that there is a pattern where political parties usually exhaust 2 consecutive terms. Now, if NDC trust in this belief that all parties exhaust 2 consecutive terms before they change,
only 1 term.
You will be disappointed. If you are not careful, you will only last for 1 term.
Because
the scale I saw, the power that brought you into power, the force and energy that brought you into power, started to drop. Now, why is it dropping? Do something about it. Now you can mark today's date. Today is 28th of September 2025. If the members and leaders of NDC do not hear this message, and they do not take the steps required of them to take, a time will come that they will refer to today's message.
So many times God
has used me to declare words like this to people. And some people did not take me seriously. Some people even insulted me. Some
people opposition. And no say Crawford di matem. Omani ba mo so na si. Sa na ma hwe NDC. Samu nim na mo ko di matem. So Owusu Bempah onokwa waka ne ho. Mepa mo chao. Asma make am very serious. Me here bibia fi obi a ho.
Now,
and obi am promise me no disappoint me.
If
no obi akoka say bia ya promise no ya nyama no ntino de abufu obeka say amesra mu obi am promise me hwe.
Now, if you don't hearken what I have said, and you despise what I have said, it will happen like it happened some time ago when I prophesied and said that a certain political party will decide to bring its vice to be the forerunner But if that happens, that party will lose power. They did not listen. They insulted me. It came to pass.
Church members.
Let nobody think that somebody has promised Prophet Owusu Bempah something and they have not yet fulfilled their promise, and that is why I am speaking. No, I'm not angry. Nobody has promised me anything. I'm not expecting anything from anyone. I did not prophesy because I wanted something. I declared what the Lord revealed to me. Now, and I've not gone. And I'm in this in India, Sikano, or so on family, and I'm the before they say, there be dear me came, Mudiamopa, Montronto, or so for any date you're saying. 28th Montronto. I've not gone begging for alms. Nobody has sacked me from his house because I went asking for money and they didn't give me. If you despise what I'm saying, you can mark today's date. If you don't take a certain step you are supposed to take, you will lose power very early. But that is not what God determined for you. But you are rather doing for things to become. So please be vigilant. And remember your first love. The zeal, the force, the energy. You came to power. Remember and take the necessary steps. I am a servant of the Lord, a messenger, a carrier of God's word. Maybe this will be the last time I am saying this.
2028.
Until 2028. And when it gets there, that is when people will know that Prophet Owusu Bempah is a true prophet of the Lord. Ghanaians have not yet.
Intabusia Prophet Owusu Bempah ne sem ene yakwakutia abano na Ghana for say anano adai mu say ya ne hu ya bra NPP for eba power ewi eche na eboshe bi NPP for ko share ya amasoro eno na ejina asoma e direct ne nsem bi a wo kan yetwe no Ghana for eche sa bra NDC wi ni ye ne hu say sami demfi ekọ asori dem hodi enase ekọ na ebia na boshe bi ko so na he kwan aboshe na emma yetwe no who they say a das a boy said John Dramani Mahama I declare say won't be only any NDC no almost slim chance 2028 in any will be kind at the way no about work or send a balance a bushy boy on a cabudia and on mission of the from the bisu HS say ya no DAP before one more NTNA and ne or more position of almost in your wakano a bayanka NDC for Emma so now we won't see any walk and as if you go somewhere. Omunko papa no wonye mo manya sa de ne obedi omo dokoro kwa wenim ne ensem Ghana fo e kire ya bibi ababeso mo a mesrese won so obedi wadwenche e wo comment section ho e de ma me wo mi asa fa ba so me dat na me hwa wonya yeso a de gim se obeye e de ma me e too much gh all the social media handles so ko wa e too much gh o subscribe no like it no wa share na afofo so enye bi ahwe medin e de dark gold e be se hia.